check this setting for yourself. And look, I'll show you some more settings that you should also be aware of. Oh, when you log back into your avatar, double check your play protection. Do muhtoi. Look, scan was just completed. I didn't actually request anything, no scan, but it was running. But it was can run many times a day. It's an antivirus program that constantly scans your apps. For example, I have these 6 apps, 117 more. It often happens that you're playing a game, watching a video, or even just watching YouTube, and everything starts glitching, slowing down, and so on. Maybe you're simply running out of resources. Your RAM is busy. The processor is busy scanning, and therefore everything starts slowing down. Ooh. And you're wondering what's wrong with your phone, restarting it, and so on. Moreover, phones usually have antivirus programs SAP-Y is installed all. So if you simply go into security, launch it, and lo and behold, there's another antivirus program. It works on the same principle, meaning you have at least 2 of them on your phone. It also double checks all apps for viruses before installing them, meaning it updates itself and so on. It does all the same things. Why do you need an antivirus that works on Google Play then? When you go to settings, you'll most likely have 2 sliders and enable, disable the help improve protection option. This is, let's say, advertising, a marketing ploy. And disable scanning using spy protection. Click disable. If you see some kind of confirmation, let's say like me at the moment, it's just about what focus screen. Let's say I have fingerprint unlocking. Just confirm it. Yeah. You might have some kind of pattern automatic password there. Or if you don't have unlocking enabled on your phone, you won't ask for anything. And don't worry, I don't really understand why they did all this play protection stuff, because all us that end up on the Google Play Market have long since been rechecked for viruses, so they wouldn't be there without a reason.